Amashomero aga harimu erya Werideni erukushangwa Umurimbarra, Toro Town College, Nganwa High School, Kawempe Royals eya Wakiso hamwe n'agandi.
We screened while in Kampala, but by that time we were screening documents. When we reached Nakasula here, we screened individuals and some players were eliminated. But still, we informed the team that we are going to screen up to the last day. We have again re-screened and we have received petitions, which petitions have been handled. Some schools have been sent packing and others have had their teams being docked off points. These teams that have been sent back home, the first team to be dismissed or disqualified was Werideni from Western Uganda. Another team was Toro Town College, was also disqualified. A home team for Porto SS, this team has not been disqualified but has had 10 points being docked. Kawempe Loyo from Wakiso was also disqualified. Nganwa High School from Bushenyi was also disqualified. And we still have other pending cases in office which are going to be disposed this afternoon.
Kurijeja ha Richard Muhumuza uri chairman w'empakezi umukugamba na Sky TV yagira ngo abana bababindure batahire umaka banyuma yo kushanga imyaka yabo etashikire kuzana empakezi oteireho n'ubutagira licenses.
But basically this championship is played under 20 and we put the yardstick and the years that one should have. One must have been born 2003 and above, but we discover that some are still abusing this rule and are playing people who are above that age. So it is basically about age that we have been experiencing. We informed all teams that we are going to use NIRA, we are going to use UNEB, we are going to use IMES, and we are also going to use FOFA licenses. Now somewhere we have been getting somebody is having a license, is having 25 years, and here is claiming is having 19. So such cases we have been able to handle them, and those schools have been told to go and reorganize, and if they are to come, they come when they are very clean. Actually, when you are disqualified, then we give you 365 days to rest as you organize yourself.